Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the Science Kitchen. And today I'm going to be sharing my recipe for a perfect Black Forest Panna Cotta. And I'm also going to show you the steps to get a perfect, silky, smooth finish every single time. So let's get right into it. So for our panna cotta, we've got sugar, vanilla, milk, cream and gelatin. We'll get our 2 gelatin sheets, just soaking in some ice cold water. Next, take our cream and let's get this onto the heat. Infuse into your cream your sugar and your vanilla extract. Now bring this to 60 degrees. It's the perfect hydration temperature for gelatin. Just squeeze out those gelatin sheets straight into our hot cream to melt down. Once that's thoroughly combined, we'll add our milk just to balance the richness of this panna cotta. So it's going to be silky smooth. Strain off. Then into our molds. To the fridge overnight. Next, onto our cherry compote. Frozen cherries, sugar, and some cornstarch. Frozen cherries into our pan with the sugar, and we're going to let this cook down for about 5 minutes. And we'll add our cornstarch, and this will thicken up, and we have this beautiful, glossy cherry compote. Next, to decorate this dessert, we're going to make some tempered chocolate. So take 3/4 of your weight of chocolate, bring to 55 degrees. Take off the heat, then add the rest of your chocolate. Bring this to between 27 and 28 degrees. Back on to a very gentle heat, and we're going to bring this up to between 31 and 32. Now, tempering chocolate is important to get that snap, as you want to adjust the temperature in these ways to get the right formation of fat crystals within the chocolate structure. Leave to set and we'll break into our chocolate shavings. Final element, we've got some fresh cherries. We're just going to half, then macerate in some kirsch to bring on that adult element for this panna cotta. Now demold your panna cottas that have that perfect wobble. Next, our cherry compote. Place your chocolate shavings and your marinated fresh cherries. It's just the best way to finish. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you have, please make sure to like the video and leave a comment in the section below. Give the recipes a go. Let me know what you think. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button. So I'll see you next time.